Are you also using Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for your business and find it difficult to transfer the lead received to any other CRM? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to capture Facebook leads directly in your CRM without coding using Pabbly Connect. So here I'm running Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead from Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add the lead received as a new person in my Pipedrive CRM. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Pipedrive account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as a real estate agent, I use Facebook lead ads to gather potential buyers interested in homes or apartments. And here on my screen, you can see my Facebook page that I have created for my business named as Prime Properties. And using this Facebook page, I am running some Facebook lead ads. So now by building a simple integration that requires no coding, I can automatically capture their contact details, budget and property preferences directly in my CRM, that is Pipedrive. This allows me to quickly follow up with personalized property recommendations and schedule viewings, helping me close sales faster while providing better service to my client. So here to automate the entire process, I have connected my Facebook lead ad with my Pipedrive CRM using an automation software. So now here firstly we are going to check the working of this automation, and for that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to generate a test lead in my Facebook lead ad, and here on my screen you can see a lead ads testing tool by Meta that I'm going to use to generate a new lead for my Facebook lead ad. So here you can see my Facebook lead ad form, which I've already filled with some dummy details such as first name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, street address, city as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh, and a zip code. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means here we have successfully generated a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here what I want is that as soon as I'm receiving a new lead in my Facebook lead ad, then automatically using that lead details, a new person should be created in my Pipedrive CRM. So here I've already built this automation. So now let's go and check our Pipedrive account. And here you can see we have successfully created a new person in our Pipedrive CRM account with the name dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this automation. And now here in this video, we are going to learn how to create this amazing automation step by step. So for that, what I need to do is that I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Pipedrive CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So now here on my screen you can see the Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as capture Facebook leads directly in your CRM without coding using Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here on the left side of this dashboard, you can see the folder section where you can see all the folders that I have created to save my workflows accordingly with different names. So here to learn how to to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is the response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So basically, Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. They are used to generate leads directly on Facebook without requiring users to leave the platform to fill out a form on a website. So here in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ad, then instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say instantly and automatically this entire workflow should be get triggered. And now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account and authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Prime Properties. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to search for my page which is named as Prime Properties. So this is my Facebook page. And now here, after selecting my Facebook page, here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see all the forms which I have created for my use till now. And here you can create your own lead ad form as per your need. So here in this case, we are going to use a lead ad form which is named as lead form new. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form new. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here, after selecting my page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now after clicking on the save and send test request, here it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, we are going to use lead ads testing tool by Meta. So for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. And here in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here I'm going to delete my previous lead by clicking on this delete lead button. And after that, I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. So after refreshing the window, here it is asking me to select my page and my form again. So I'm going to select my page which is named as Prime Properties and my form, that is lead form new. And now here to generate a new test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the type of property you are interested in, I'm going to select rental property. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart, last name as user, email as smart@pabblytudes.com, and a random phone number. Here I'm going to enter the street address as 345 ABC. City as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh, and here for the zip code, I'm going to select my country first, that is India, and a zip code over here. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead for our Facebook lead ad over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the type of property you are interested in as rental property. Here you can see the first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead in my CRM. So here I'm using my CRM as Pipedrive, but you can use any CRM as per your need. So now here I need to connect my CRM with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Pipedrive as I'm using Pipedrive as my CRM over here. So Pipedrive is the sales management tool that helps businesses track and manage their sales processes. It's like having a digital sales pipeline where you can see all your deals, tasks, and customer interactions in one place. So here in my Pipedrive action step, I'm going to select my action event task, create a person, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ad, I want to add that lead to my CRM as a new person. And now here to connect my Pipedrive with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pipedrive account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Pipedrive account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon given over here, and from here I'm going to select personal preferences. Now here under personal preferences, I'm going to select API, and here under API you can see we have received the API token. So I'm going to copy it over here, but if you want to generate the new token, then you can click on this generate new token given over here. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the token that we have received. So this is the API token, and now I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the name, phone number, email, and some other details. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my lead's name. So for that, I'm going to select the first name first, space, last name. Moving forward, here for the label, I'm going to select the label as hot lead, and here for the phone number, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. Here I'm going to map the lead's email. Moving forward, here this organization and owner is not required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the visible to, I'm going to select item owner, and here for the first name, I'm going to map the lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the last name, and again this labels is not required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new person in our Pipedrive for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ads. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new person with the name Smart User, email as smart@pabblytudes.com, and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here I've taken my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my action as Pipedrive, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead to my CRM, that is Pipedrive, as a new person. Okay, so these were the steps to how to capture Facebook leads directly in your CRM without coding using Pabbly Connect. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.